Are you tired of watching your competitors steal all the website traffic and your customers? Do you want to unlock the secrets to exploding your flooring website's traffic? So look no further, because in this video we're going to show you how you can generate traffic that gets you soaring above all of your competitors. You're probably here because you want to know the secret to getting more organic traffic to your website, right? So in this video we're going to show you a simple yet very powerful and effective strategy. I'm going to show you how you can increase your organic traffic by focusing on a specific sub-niche within flooring. By watching this video, you're going to gain insights for a proven strategy that's going to drive more traffic to your website. And this is ultimately going to lead to more business, more revenue, and increased profit. Many flooring companies struggle to get the right kind of visitors to their site, which is going to impact sales and growth. So I'm going to reveal the answers to low website traffic, limited sales opportunities, and stunted business growth. And if you stay to the end, I've got a free guide that's going to help you implement this strategy. So one of the quickest ways you can increase organic traffic on your website is by focusing on a specific sub-niche within flooring. Instead of trying to target flooring as a whole, target particular products and services within flooring. And focusing on a specific sub-niche helps with standing out from the competition, targeting the right audience, achieving quicker SEO results, creating a strong, relevant brand identity, creating relevant and valuable content, establishing authority within your specific niche, and building topical authority much quicker. So having said that, this might leave you wondering, well, what sub-niche do you target first? So here's some tips on how to identify the best sub-niche for your business. The first thing is to look at your current customer base. And of those customers, what percentage of them are a particular sub-niche? What do you sell the most of? Who have you got the happiest customers in? You need to conduct market research to identify gaps. You need to consider your unique strengths and expertise. You need to analyse keyword search volume and competition level. And then lastly, 3 other questions that I think are very overlooked. And that is, what do you enjoy the most? What are you most knowledgeable in? And what makes you the most profit? Look at all of this stuff. Find your happy medium and don't overthink it. So now you've picked your sub-niche, let's look at some tips on how you can optimize your website to target your sub-niche in the best way possible. First thing to do is conduct research. And the kind of research I'm talking about is keyword research, competitor research. Understand the different types of keywords you can target in terms of informational keywords, transactional keywords. Understand which competitors of yours rank for these keywords, and then try to understand why they're ranking for these keywords. And you should be able to reverse engineer their strategy so that you can do a better job and outrank them. The next is to focus on creating quality, relevant content for your sub-niche. So you're going to want to be creating all of your money pages, the pages that have transactional keywords. You're going to want the right people in the right areas to find these products and services. So it could be things like parquet flooring in London, or it could be carpets in Leeds. You're going to also want to create a content calendar. Not only are you going to want to target transactional keywords and keywords that actually convert into sales and leads, but you're also going to want to create supporting content like blog articles to make yourself the experts within that particular niche. Next is really simple and obvious, but make sure that you have a fast loading website and it's mobile friendly. And then lastly, utilize internal linking so that Google and your visitors can understand your website, navigate it easily, and see the hierarchy in the different pages. When you start creating blog articles, you should be linking to your transactional pages, and you should be linking back and forth to other blog articles that are relevant to the ones you've written. So following on from that, let's now look at some tips on how you can actually build authority within your sub-niche. To build authority within your sub-niche, a little bit like we just said, you need to be creating high quality and relevant content. But creating high quality relevant content is not necessarily enough. You need to be outreaching and promoting that content on a regular basis. You need to be outreaching for backlinks from other websites that are in related industries to yours or the same industry. You need to be repurposing that content for social media and engaging with your audience. You need to attend industry events and conferences, and you need to collaborate with other industry experts and influencers. So now you've established your sub-niche and you know how to target, you know how to optimize for it, and you know how to build authority in it. It might lead you to the question, can you target other sub-niches? Because as a flooring company, you offer lots of different types of flooring. So to you, it might not make any sense to target one particular sub-niche when you offer all these other types of flooring as well. So the thing is, as a flooring company, you should still have all of the other pages for the other products and services that you offer within the locations that you operate in. It's just that your strategy is solely focused on building authority in one sub niche first. So if people do land on your site, they can still see that you do all of these other services and all of these other products, but it means that you have authority in at least one of those sub niches to begin with. As you build authority within that particular sub niche and you get to a point where you feel like you can't actually build any more authority within your area and within that sub niche, you can then move on to another sub niche and start to dominate that one. And you should do this one by one. You should only focus on one sub niche at a time, dominate that, move on to the next sub niche, and just repeat the process. Because put it this way, if you're a flooring company that offers wood flooring, sanding, you offer carpet fitting, you offer LVT, laminate, you can't create enough good quality content for all of those products and services. The only way you will create good quality content is by focusing on one at a time. So, put it simply, focus on dominating one niche first and then move on to the next. If you think about it from Google's perspective and a visitor's perspective, if they land on your site, they can see you're a flooring company, that you offer all of these different types of services, but there is more content, more blog content about carpet services as opposed to wood flooring, then Google and your visitors are going to see that that's an area that you specialise in, and if they need carpet, you are absolutely the person to go to. But if they also need wood flooring, they could potentially think, well, they also do that as well, so I'm still going to use them. So by targeting a sub niche, even if you do offer other products and services, it's not going to stop you from selling those other products and services. So we touched on it a minute ago, but let's just talk about how social media can help with dominating your sub niche. So social media can help you showcase your expertise within a particular sub niche. By posting on a regular basis about your particular sub niche, you can drive good quality traffic from social media to your website, and that's essentially where you're going to convert these people. Social media also allows you to have a dialogue with your audience. So they might not necessarily be in contact with you, but they might go on your social media and ask you questions under a particular post. So this allows you to connect with your audience and build a relationship with them. And sharing valuable content on social media on a regular basis can position you as a thought leader within that sub niche, further solidifying your authority within that sub niche. And don't forget that social media can also be used for paid advertising. So if you've written a blog article about a particular product and service, within your sub niche, you can promote that across social media to the relevant audience. So what I also wanted to show you is an actual real life example of us targeting a sub niche within flooring. So this company here is a client of mine that offers all types of flooring. So I went to them and asked them, what is the most profitable sub-service of flooring that you offer that you would want to target? And they told me it was LVT flooring. So what we decided to do is start targeting just LVT flooring. Now we already had all of the pages built on their website. We already had the LVT flooring page, we had the wood flooring pages, the carpet pages, all targeting the locations that they operate in. But what we did now is we just started building out more and more blog content and supporting content for LVT flooring than we did any other subservice that they offered in their business. And this is pretty much the results of doing that. So what I have here is 16 months worth of data, and you can see right at the start here they are literally at no clicks, so no one is clicking on their website. And as we start building out this strategy, you can see here impressions are rising and clicks are rising at a steady pace. And this is exactly how you want an SEO campaign to go. You can see over the past 16 months, in clicks and impressions have just non-stop keep rising. They just continue to grow and grow and grow. And even here you can see that they hit a new high. Impressions are at 9,082, and then suddenly it drops. Obviously when you get a drop in traffic and impressions, you do start to think, well, what have I done wrong? But this is just the natural cycle of Google. This is how Google works. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. It doesn't go in a consistent uptrend. But overall, if you zoom out and look at the progress, this is how it should look. There should be lots of peaks and troughs throughout the campaign. And you can see now, by focusing on just LVT, they're getting roughly around 80 to 100 clicks per day, and recently it's had a little bit of a dip, but I suspect that's only part of the trend as we're seeing here. And you can see as we come down, we look at the actual queries that they're ranking for. Obviously they are ranking for all of the local queries. They're ranking in the map pack for LVT and all of the other services that they're offering, and they're also ranking in their local area for the organic listings. But you can see that pretty much everything we post about LVT flooring now, they're pretty much ranking straight away for. So you can see there's so much traffic coming from LVT brands to avoid, best LVT flooring UK, best vinyl flooring. And what this is doing, it's building up trust, it's building up authority, so that when people do come to them and they need LVT flooring, there is no doubt in their mind that these are the best people to use. And once we have completely dominated this niche, this sub niche, we're then going to move on to the next one. So now let's just focus on the benefits of this strategy by focusing on one sub niche at a time. Focusing on one sub niche allows for more targeted and effective SEO strategies and marketing campaigns. It also allows businesses to become experts within a specific niche, increasing trust and authority with potential customers. This is then going to lead to it being a lot easier to sell your products and services. If somebody comes to you already knowing that you're the expert, in their minds you're one of the best places to buy from. So focusing on one particular sub niche is going to lead to higher conversion rates and a better return on investment. And lastly, it's going to lead to a better use of resources and a more efficient and cost-effective marketing strategy. You're not going to be throwing shit at a wall anymore and hoping it sticks. You're going to be able to run strategies for your sub-niche that you know work. So really quickly, why is it important to focus on a sub-niche? Because it yields quicker SEO and marketing results, it helps you build authority quicker, you can generate leads quicker, and most importantly, you can close more sales. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you check out the links below, I've got 2 free resources that are really going to help you with this strategy. The first one is how to create effective blog content for flooring companies, and this digs a little bit into what we was talking about and how you can actually target a particular sub niche with your blog content. And the second is 12 key elements that every flooring company needs to improve conversion rates. So once you do start picking your sub niche, you're going to know how to build those pages effectively so they actually convert into more sales and leads for your flooring company. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next.